Good morning, guys. Today is a very special day because if you remember, today we're going to present the themes I asked you to search in the internet. Okay, so the first ones that are going to pass to the front are Haley and Sarah.
Good morning, everyone. In this class, we're going to talk about different themes of chemistry. And this is a subject that we're having next year, so this will help us to get a little knowledge for we to get prepared.
Okay, in this class we're going to talk about different themes that are chemistry in medicine, in food, in war, and global warming.
So, let's start. First, chemistry in medicine. As you already know, medicine is a very important subject because it's the subject that investigates, experiments, and makes cures for diseases that are dangerous for humankind. So, let's see what has in common medicine with chemistry.
Well, chemistry in medicine has many branches, but one of the most important is the creation of pharmaceutical products. We all know them as medicines. This consists of the creation of drugs and interaction between them to combat the illness.
But it doesn't stop there. The role of chemistry has other specific and complex applications, in which some of them are the study of the covalent bonds, the analysis of free radicals, acids and bases, among others.
Oh, but don't forget that also a very important use of chemistry in medicine that has evolved in the last years is the cancer therapies. This can save many lives that couldn't be saved in the past.
Now that we have seen the chemistry in medicine, we have to see another important branch in the use of chemistry, and maybe it's the most important used today in the modern world. And this is chemistry in food. I mean, who doesn't like food? It's very, very delicious, but we don't know all the things that it has to pass through to be the food that we normally eat.
First, let's start with the most basic. When we cook the food, it causes a chemical reaction in which the food that is raw passes to the cooked food that we all eat.
But we haven't seen the other part of the coin. Chemistry is also involved in the processing techniques of junk food, in which it involves carbohydrates, lipids, etc. But it doesn't involve only carbohydrates, it also involves vitamins, flavors, colors, minerals, so it's not that bad.
Really?
What? It has vitamins.
Forget it, Haley.
Okay, whatever. Well, now we're going to talk about a very dangerous and mortal part of chemistry. And it is war.
Do we need to see that theme?
Yes, we do. It is very important. How do you think Hitler enslaved most of the Jews in Germany and created a very catastrophic period called the Holocaust?
I don't know, but I don't like weapons.
I already know that. This was one of the themes that you had to talk about, but you don't like it, so I'm talking more than you.
Are you really going to complain when you already know what's my answer?
Well, I had to try.
Forget it, just talk about it and let's finish this part. Ugh, I really hate we're talking about this.
Okay. Just forget her. Let's talk about what is really important. Chemistry created a weapon that was faster. It can shoot from long distances and is mortal. Yes, we're talking about guns. The chemistry in this kind of artifacts is that they use chemical substances to make the weapon shoot.
Haley, can we stop this?
But I have not finished. It also created the most dangerous weapon created in human history, the nuclear bomb. Yes, and it was created to kill thousands of people, and it also created radiation diseases and sarin gas. I mean, let's not go that far. Today, the islands of Hiroshima and Nagasaki are still unhabitable because of the nuclear bomb. Okay, just leave it like that. Let's talk about the last theme.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so the last theme in chemistry is with the global warming, which is one of the most important and alarming themes discussed today.
This is very alarming because the global warming is increasing by the emission of greenhouse, carbon dioxide, etc. And all of this pollution comes from the artifacts made by the chemical industry.
And what is more alarming is the speed at which these gases are increasing, and we're not making anything to stop this.
I really think that we're trying to do something to stop it, but we're not taking this as serious as it should be.
Well, we hope that in the future we can pay attention to this important thing.
Okay, folks, that's all what we have for you today. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for your attention.